Look here, today we discuss how to add the rational number. The number are actually in the form of mixed rational number, okay? Mixed fraction. So, in case of adding this value, as the Tamanna purchased this much kg of potato, this much kg of onion, this much kg of tomato, how much kilogram of vegetable did she buy? This is word problem, so we have to write the statement also. So which is word weight of potato is equal to 10 1 by 2 kg. We can write that one 21. 10 to the 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 kg, or 10 plus 1 by 2 kg. Or the weight of onion is equal to 14 1 3 by 4 kg is equal to 14 4 ja 50 6 plus 3 59 by 4 kg, or 14 plus 3 by 4 kg. The weight of tomato is 16 1 by 4 kg is equal to 65 by 4 kg, or we can write this one like this. Okay, you have written this one. First of all, write this much. So finally, we can write that one. After writing that much a statement, Tamanna bought vegetable is equal to is equal to 21 by 2 plus 59 by 4 plus 65 by 4 kg. Don't worry, why I have written this much? Don't worry about that one. We'll discuss about the another method how to solve this type of question. That's why for your easiness I have just written this format also. Okay, so it become, so now LCM of 2, 4 and 4 is equal to 4. Is it? So take common LCM for that one, which is 4. So it's become 21 into 2 2 ja 4. So it becomes 2. 59 into 4 1 ja 4 plus 65 into 4 1 ja 4. So it becomes 42. You can write here kg also is equal to 42 plus 59 plus 65 by 4 kg. Add these values. 9 plus 5 14 plus 2 16. 6 carried 1. Carried 1, that added to 5 becomes 6. 6 plus 6 12 plus 4 16 by 4. So it become 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4. So how much remain? 2 remain here. So it become 2 by 4 kg, or you can write 41 1 by 2 kg, or you can write 41.50 kg. Okay, 1 by 2 means half. Half what? Half kg. Half kg is equal to 500 grams. So you can write 51.50 kg. Okay, you can solve this way. Okay, have you written? Look here. The second method, is same like this. There is no need to write this much. You can leave this much, these three. So what we get? 10 1 by 2 is equal to 10 plus 1 by 2 kg. 14 3 by 4 is equal to 13. 14 plus 3 by 4 kg. 16 1 by 4 is equal to 16 plus 1 by 4 kg. So after that one, you can write the tamanna about vegetable is equal to separately as given 10 plus 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 3 by 4 plus 16 plus 1 by 4, this much of kg. So look here, so it becomes 10 plus 14 plus 16 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 kg. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 0, 0 carried 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, the carried 1 become 4 plus the LCM of, as you have written, the LCM of 2, 4 is equal to 4. So LCM is 4. Then 1 into 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 into 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 into 4 1 ja 4. This much of kg. So it become 40 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 4 kg is equal to 40 plus this become 4, 3 plus 4 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 4 plus 2, 8. 7 6 by 4 kg. So it also become 40 plus 2 by 4 kg. So it means 2 plus 2 by 4 kg. So it become what? 40. Something wrong. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. 3. Yes, this one is 4 1 ja 4. Okay, so it become what? 40 plus 1 plus 2 by 4 is equal to 41 plus 2 by 4, or you can write 41 2 by 4 is equal to 41 1 by 2 kg or 41.50 kg. Okay. By using the second method, you have done less calculation. I have just written this much of step to make the things easy for you. If you understand the things, you can leave this step. You can directly write this one. You can directly write this one. Then after that one. Okay. Or this step is also not need to write. After that one, you can just write this much, and after that one, 41 2 by 4 also, and finally you will get the answer like this. Okay, I have written this much twice. Okay, copy this one from board. Look here, I have given 3 questions for you as a homework. Solve that one. If there are any problem, you can ask to me. Okay. All are the based on addition. As a milkman has 2 container with capacity of 25 1 by 4 liter and 45 3 by 4 liters. How much liter of milk can he store? Thus write the statement as the capacity of first container is this one, capacity of second container is this one. The total milk stored in both container is equal to this one plus this one. You can apply, you can use any method, whatever you learn now. Okay. The second one is Susma bought this much meter of blue ribbon and this much meter of red ribbon. How much ribbon she did buy in total? So the statement is the length of blue ribbon is this much, length of red ribbon is this one, total length of ribbon is equal to this much plus this much, and you can get the answer. Okay. You have know the 2 method to solve this one by using as 3 plus 1 by 3, 4 plus 1 by 6 by using that much, or by converting that one to mixed fraction into improper fraction. The next one, the distance from the Sanju's house to school is this much kilometer. If Sanju visits to his friends who stay 1 by 10 kilometer away from the school, how far is his friend's house from his house? So you can write the statement like the Sanju's school distance from Sanju's house to his school is this much kilometer. Distance from Sanju friend's house from school is 1 by 10 kilometer. Distance from the Sanju's house to his friend's house is equal to 3 by 2 kilometer plus 1 by 10 kilometer. Okay. Write statement. Okay. These 3 are the homework for you.